Oh man. Okay, so I'm really sick. I just don't have the energy to make a lot of videos. I'm doing my best to at least answer comments. I always say, man, there are people that are either as good or probably even better than me, and there have been some really good stocks mentioned on the comments. So I know I'm not making videos, but legit, there have been a couple tickers that were juicy setups to say the least. So. Yeah, if you can, I would recommend looking at the comments. Otherwise, yeah, my goal is to make videos like the day I'm better. I miss it so much. I really do. I hope everyone's crushing it, dude. Soundhound is killing it. Carvana's still killing it. Siri, I know I mentioned. NNDM was mentioned today. There was a killer stock yesterday that just sharded put. It ended up running like 50%, and I saw it around 25 or 30. Like there are some money makers in the comments, right? Obviously nothing's financial advice, but we have something really special here, you know? So hey, I miss you all so much. Hopefully in a couple days I'll be better, and more videos coming. But yeah, good luck out there.